Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Grain markets are lower overnight, seeing a little maybe profit taking, a little long liquidation after 5 days up. And we have the weekly export sales report, which could show somewhere between 250 and 650 wheat sales, 700 to 1400 corn, and 1500 to 2500 beans. Again, the bean export commitment is half of what it was a year ago at this time, so the market needs to see a lot more buying, especially by China, to push through some key resistance. We got the September cattle on feed report Friday, on feed 99, placements 101, and marketing at 97. So I think livestock margins are improving a little bit, and then we're continuing to see some weaker prices, both cattle and hog futures, especially hog futures, and kind of searching maybe for some demand this time of year. High energy prices have beans, Asian veg oil, Europe, Canada, rapeseed all higher. The Dalian soybean oil, rapeseed oil, palm oil contracts all making new highs. Corn is a little bit higher, beans are higher, and so all those markets continue to show the potential shortage of cooking oil. In the U.S., soybean oil supported by talk of higher green fuel oil demand. We also noted that in Brazil, weather remains favorable. Farmer is selling with this higher board and lower real. And Mexico announced, their ag minister, that they will not limit U.S. GMO corn imports. Mexico buys 16 million tons of the U.S. 66 million tons of corn exports. The ethanol data yesterday suggests the USDA might be 100 million bushels too low on ethanol demand. And if we string out U.S. Corn export pace, it could suggest that final exports might be up 350 million bushels from the USDA's number. Again, can't trade that today, but down the road, it could be supportive to the corn market. The Matif wheat futures, 9-year highs, and Russian prices continue to trend higher. We also noted that Ukraine did raise their wheat export number. USDA is using 23 million tons. They see exports at 25 million tons. Wheat futures may be a little bit overbought on the RSI data. Funds yesterday, big buyers across the board. Got them along about 50,000 bean contracts, short a little under 30 meal, long a little over 85 soybean oil, long 240 corn, and now just a little bit long Chicago wheat 2,000 contracts. So again, we'll watch export sales, we'll watch money flow, we're watching weather in South America, here in the United States, also in Russia, and we're watching energy prices and the demand for raw materials. And that is definition of inflation. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.